Kenwood DMX47S review. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and mirroring. Worth upgrading your ride? Tired of battling outdated car infotainment that drains your focus and kills your vibe? You're not the only one stuck fumbling with clunky touchscreens, unreliable Bluetooth, and non-existent smartphone mirroring while driving. Let's be honest. Your current setup probably makes every trip more frustrating than fun. Missed calls, confusing navigation, glitchy audio, it's a tech nightmare masquerading as your car stereo. You've lost time, energy, and sanity on those so-called upgrades that never deliver. If road trips now feel like a chore, it's time to admit your car's outdated tech is holding you back from a smooth, connected driving experience. Think it can't get worse? Imagine trying to navigate traffic while your old system freezes mid-route or watching your rear camera flicker right as you're backing up. Total stress, right? And those dead-end phone calls, laggy music controls, and random disconnects? They don't just frustrate you, they're safety risks. Every glitch adds to your mental load, making even short commutes exhausting. Long drives? Forget it. Missed turns, awkward calls, and poor sound ruin every mile. Why keep dealing with tech that belongs in 2010? Every moment spent wrestling with your car's broken system is a missed chance for smoother, smarter driving. Enter the Kenwood DMX47S digital multimedia player, the ultimate solution to modernizing your dashboard. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and true USB mirroring, the 6.8-inch touchscreen powerhouse transforms your car into a connected command center. Say goodbye to frustration with its seamless voice control via Siri and Google Assistant, rear-view camera support, and epic sound quality from its customizable 13-band EQ. Whether you're navigating with Waze, streaming Spotify, or handling calls safely, this system keeps you connected without distraction. The Kenwood DMX47S isn't just an upgrade, it's your gateway to safer, smoother, and smarter driving. Packed with features, the Kenwood DMX47S delivers premium performance without the premium price tag. Its vivid capacitive touchscreen ensures smooth control, while Bluetooth and USB connectivity let you sync up effortlessly. Adjust your music with precise audio controls, stream your favorite apps, and enjoy rear camera assisted parking with ease. Plus, its sleek design and compact build fits seamlessly into almost any vehicle. Still skeptical? Thousands of drivers are already loving the road trip glow-up this system delivers. If you're craving better drives and safer rides, stick around, we'll show you how this little upgrade makes a massive difference. Ready to finally upgrade your ride? Thousands of drivers have ditched outdated dashboards and joined the Kenwood revolution, and you can too. But don't wait. This Kenwood DMX47S is flying off shelves, and once you experience it, you'll understand why. Click the link, grab yours today, and transform every drive. Whether it's epic sound, smarter navigation, or safer calls, your next road trip deserves this upgrade. Buy now, limited stock. Secure your DMX47S and hit the road like a pro. Why struggle another mile? Join the smart drivers who already made the switch. Act fast, next level driving awaits.